Yes, good morning, children. Welcome back to your online classes. Yes, last class we have started lesson number 6, fractions. Yes, no, we have completed exercise 1. So you learned about fractions. Yes, no, fraction, it consists of numerator and the denominator. You completed exercise 1, shaded part and unshaded part. Okay, children. And we have learned ascending and descending order in the fractions. And we have completed exercise 2. You have learned equivalent fraction. The shaded portion shows the same part of the whole. Okay, you have learned equivalent fraction by multiplication. And you have learned proper and improper fraction. In that, conversion. So, I'll teach that conversion of improper fraction to mixed fraction, from mixed fraction to improper. Proper means numerator will be lesser, denominator will be greater. In improper fraction, numerator will be greater, denominator will be lesser. So convert them into mixed fraction. Mixed fraction, you know, see 28 by 9 means, see this is numerator. Yes, no numerator. This is improper fraction. This is improper fraction. If you want to convert, so if you, for example, convert into, this is mixed fraction. This is old number, new numerator and the denominator. This is mixed fraction. You know, unit fraction. Proper fraction is 1. With 1 numerator is called unit fraction. See, you may think this is improper fraction. Proper fraction. No, children, this is not proper fraction. Proper fraction with 1 numerator is called unit fraction. It carries only 1, always 1. Denominator will be different numbers. So, numerator will be, proper numerator is called as unit fraction. Okay, children. So, we have completed exercise 3, first main. Say whether the following fractions are proper, improper or unit fraction. Yes, I have completed. No, children, first main. Now we'll go for second main. Second main. Convert fractions. Convert the following fractions into mixed fractions. Convert the following into mixed fractions. Second main. Yes. Last class in lesson number 6, I have started, children. Exercise 1 in one class. So you saw before exam. Yes, no, children. Lesson exercise 2 and exercise 3 I have given before only. I have given in homework. Lesson number 5, exercise 1, 5 mains. And in next class, exercise 3, first main I have given. So, you don't write, children. Exercise 2, 5 mains. Those who are not having textbook. Those who are having textbook, what the homework comes in lesson number 5, you do the homework, what I have given. Those who are not having textbook, write the tables. In one class, Saturday it will come. So, one class, 2 ones are 2, 6 ones are 2 times. In next class, 7 ones are 2, 12 ones are 2 times. Those who are not having textbook, yes, no, children. Those who are having textbook, please, what I have given homework, what I'll write at last, no, what I have given homework, please write what I have given in lesson number 5, exercise 1 and exercise 2. Those who are not having textbook, so I have given the recorded class before only. So please leave. Those who are not having textbook, please write the tables 2 times. One class you write 2 to 6. In another class 7 to 12. Okay, children. Those that are having textbook, please take out the textbook and write the homework. Okay, children. Exercise 3 we have completed first main. Now exercise 2, convert the page number 165. Convert the following fractions into mixed fraction. Yes, first one, 23. See, first one, 23 by 2. So, how you should convert? See, I wanted the answer here. Mixed fraction, I turn the whole number, new numerator and the denominator. How you convert? So, you should convert like this. 2 23 divided by 23. 2 ones are 2. 2 minus 2, 0. Here 2 is there, no? So if 2 is not there, you can take 2 number. Here same 2 is there, no? So 2 ones are 2. My 2 minus 2, 0. Bring down 3. In 2 ones are 3 is there, no? 2 twos are 4. We can't write because it is here less number. So once again I'll go 2 ones are 2. 3 minus 2, 1. So what it is? This is whole number. This is whole number. Whole number. This is in division. I told this is quotient. This is remainder. This is divisor. This is division. But here what you should do, no children, this is denominator, by which you will add now divide, no, that we called as denominator. This is numerator. This is, that is in division, quotient, remainder, divisor, dividend. But in the fraction, this is a whole number and this is numerator. Whole number, see, whole number what? First you should write whole number, denominator. Fraction consists of numerator and the denominator. Denominator means this down part. Here, this is below part. Okay. Above, it is numerator. Numerator is 1. Denominator is 2. So, your answer is, in the exam test and all, you should not write direct answer, children. You should do this. If you do only, you will get this. Okay. So, second one. Second sum is 17 by 3. 17 by 3. See, this is improper fraction. See, improper means numerator will be great, lesser is denominator. So, you should do 3, 17, 3 ones are 3, I can't, this is greater, this is lesser. So, I'll take 2 number. Okay, children, I'll take 2 number. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 sixes are 18. No, here 17 is there. So, 3 fives are 15. 3 fives are 15. Minus 7 minus 5, 2, 0. So, here no number, I can't bring down. So, what is the answer here? Whole number. This is whole number. Whole number. This is denominator. Now the spelling. This is numerator. Whole number is 5. Denominator is 3. Numerator 2. This number always will be a denominator. This will be always a denominator. So, this is whole number. This is numerator. You know, no children, how to do? Let's copy down. Denominator will be always same. Third one. Third question is 84 by 5. 84 by 5. Yes, 5 ones are tables, you write. 84. 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are, this is lesser, this is greater. So I can take one number. 5 ones are 5. Because 5 twos are 10. So in 8, cut 5, 3. Bring down 4. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 sixes are 30, 5 sevens are 35. Don't want 35. 5 sixes are 30. 4, 0. Now you say which children? Whole number is 16. Denominator will be same. So this is the denominator. Okay, this is the denominator. Okay, you should copy this denominator. Numerator. Remainder is there, no? That is only numerator. So you got the answer now. Let's copy down. You should mention here whole number, denominator, numerator. Full you should write small, small. Okay. Fourth one. 93 by 4. So 4 ones are, you should write 93. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12. Here 9 it is there. So I'll write 4 twos are 8. 9 minus 8, 1. Bring down 3. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16. No, nearest number. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12. 3 minus 2, 1, 0. What you should write here? No, whole number is 23. Denominator will be 4. New numerator will be 1. Yes, no children? Got it? Yes, fifth one. Fifth one, 23 by 7. 23 by 7. So your whole number you should write. And numerator and the denominator. 7 ones are tables. 23. 7 ones are 7. Can I write? No, 2 is lesser. So 7 ones are 7. 7 twos are 14. Nearest to 23. 7 ones are 7. 7 twos are 14. 7 threes are 21. 7 fours are 28. Can I write 7 fours are 28? No. 7 threes are 21. 3 minus 1, 2, 0. So you know number. I can't bring out. Whole number is 3. Denominator is 7. New numerator is 2. Yes, you got the answer, no children? Let's copy down. Still 3 more sum is there. (52), sixth one, 52 by 8. So say 52 by 8. If you know the tables only, you can do, children. 8 ones are 8. See, I'll write it here. 52. 52 is there in 8 ones are. 8 ones are 8. 8 twos are 16. 8 threes are 24. 8 threes are 24. 8 fours are 32. 8 fives are 40. 8 sixes are 48. 8 sevens are 56. No, 8 sixes are 48. So cut here 1. In 12, 8 goes means 9, 10, 11, 12. 4, 0. Your number 6, 8 by 4. No, sorry. 6, 4 by 8. Sorry. 6. Your denominator will be same. This 4 you have to write. Yes, copy down this, children, in the textbook. Don't say no place, ma'am. You copy direct answer. But how to do the sum? There only you practice small. How I did division, you write in the pencil in the textbook. Because if I give homework, so many children are writing only answer. Yes, last Friday I saw. Only answer you are writing. I want the sum. I want the sum. How the answer you got? I want the sum in homework book. Textbook, no place. So you can copy direct answer. One sum you copy how the answer it came. I wrote no. This is whole number. Whole number. This is new numerator. This is the denominator. So in the homework book, if I give homework, I want like this only. After red line, the sums part is there, no? There you write your copy question. I want the answer like this. But some you have to do. How you got this answer, you have to do by side. Okay, children? Yes, copy down. Because last class and all, multiplication, I have given homework. So many children, what you have done, no? You have written direct answer. I don't want direct answer. I don't want direct answer. So next is 37 by 6. This is 7th sum. This is 8th sum. 100 by 3. 6 ones are tables. 3, 7. 6 ones are 6. 6 twos are 12. 6 threes are 18. 6 fours are 24. 6 fives are 30. 6 six are 36. Minus 1, 0. So, whole number is 6. Denominator will be same. This is denominator. New numerator 1. Here 300. 3 ones are 3, 3. I can't take one number. I'll take two number. See, here also I took two. This is greater. This is lesser. So I took two number. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9. In 10, 9 goes means 1. Bring down 0. 3 threes are 9. 1, 0. Okay, children. So, your answer is 33. Denominator will be same. New numerator is 1. So, you should mention your whole number, denominator, new numerator. You may get confusion which is numerator, denominator. This is always denominator. Okay, children? You can copy that. This will be always the denominator. Copy down. Yes, shall I rub the board? Yes, third main. Okay, children, third main. Convert the following into fractions. Convert the following fraction into mixed fraction. Yes. Second main, you know, it was improper fraction. You converted into mixed fraction. Mixed fraction means whole number, new numerator, denominator. Your question is mixed fraction. This is mixed fraction. So how will you convert? How will you convert it into improper fraction? How will you convert? So this you have to do multiplication. See here this. Here only you should do step by step. Okay, children? See this you should do here only. 7 into 2. 7 into 2 plus 1 plus 1. Denominator will be same. This you should copy like that only. Denominator will be same. 7 twos are 14. 14 plus 1. Denominator will be same. Your answer is 14 plus 1, 15. 15 by 2. So, one sum you should do like this itself. Okay, children? Let's copy down. A second sum. 12, 2 by 3. So, what you should do? 12 into denominator plus numerator. Denominator will be same. 12 ones are 12. 12 twos are 24. 12 threes are 36. You can write tables there. Plus 1. No, reminder is 2. Sorry, children. Plus numerator will be 2. So, plus 2. Denominator will be same. 36 plus 2, 36 in the mind. 37, 38. Answer is 38 by, you should leave line and write all. 38 by 3. Denominator will be same. This 2 you should do, see. 12 threes are 36 plus 2. Okay, children? Now in division you write now quotient. Quotient into divisor plus remainder. Yes, no? plus, see, remainder only we have written as a new numerator. Yes, no children, remainder only we have written new numerator. So, this is the new numerator. Whole number will be a quotient. So, quotient, this is C. In division, see, in this I have written whole number is here. Now, in remainder place, I have written new numerator. In the divisor, I have written denominator. So, for example, if I write like this, I'll show you this only. So, see, improper fraction will convert into division mixed fraction 338 remainder place 3 dividend place 38. So in division you have written quotient. This is a quotient. Yes, no children, in division this is a quotient. In this we are writing whole number. See, whole number quotient into divisor. So divisor is a denominator. So I have written 3 remainder 2. So this is, you should write 12 into 3 plus 2. Okay, children, got it? Let's copy down the sum. This always into, this 2 will be into, this will be plus. This will be plus. See, 12 into 3 plus 2. The denominator will be always same in the fractions. Shall I rub the board? Next is 19, 2 by 7. I'll do here only, see, 19 into denominator plus 2. Denominator will be same. 19 ones are, see here, 19 ones are 19, 19 twos are. You can't by heart 19 ones are, I know, you will by heart up to 12. See, 2 ones are 2, 2 nines are 18, 2 ones are 2, 3. 19 into 3. 3 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27, 3 ones are 3, 4, 5. 47 plus 2. The denominator will be always same. Oh, sorry children, 19 into 7. I have, sorry. See, 19 into 7 plus 2 is, take out your right tables. 19, 19 sevens are how much? 19 ones are 19, 19 twos are 38, 19 threes are 57, 19 fours are 76, 19 fives are 95, 19 sixes are 114, 19 sevens are 133. 19 sevens are 133 plus 2. Denominator will be 7. So 133, 34, 35. 135 by 7. Yes, copy down this. So next question is 17 by 23, more number. So what you will do, see, 19 into 7, like that. 3 into 23 plus 17 by 23. So you don't know 23 3s are 23 3s are 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6. 69 plus 17. Denominator will be same. 69 plus 17. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 1 carry. 6 plus 1, 7. 8. So here is 86 by 23. Let's copy down this, children. Shall I rub the board? Yes. So other sums, others, just you practice, those who are having textbook, so you practice other 4 sums, children. So here I'll end my class. But today maths homework, take out your maths homework, not in rough book. So many new children, those who did admission in the exam time, you are writing in last year rough books. No, children. What I did, sums and all, no, you can practice in your rough book. This is maths homework, 200 pages. Horizontal book. Those who are writing in 200 pages book, keep it. Those who did new admission now after exam, so I think you got the books, take 200 pages. 2 book will be, one is for classwork, one is for homework. Classwork, it is in PDF, please complete. What I write on the board, no sums and all, no, I did second main and third main. That and all practice in your rough book. Last year books will be, no, to practice only I am giving. You can write in directly in textbook in the pencil. Direct answer, but I want the sum. So I told to practice in your rough book. Your maths homework, 200 pages, horizontal book, maths book, it will be like this, no? So in that today, because so many children not having table, textbooks, I am giving tables. 2 ones are 2, 6 ones are 2 times. 2 ones are 2, 6 ones are 2 times. So many children not having textbook, children. So I am giving tables. What I did on the board, sums and all, practice in your rough book. Those who did admission, take out your 200 pages book and write tables 2 times. Write the date also. So many children not writing date, children. Write the date. Those are having textbook, it's okay. Those who started from the month of July homework book, continue in that book and don't buy new book. So those who did admission, write it in the book. Okay, children. Here I'll end my class. Thank you.